In a quiet hillside lived a little turtle and his colorful bird friend. One day, they decided to build a small home together. The bird flew far to bring twigs and cotton, and the turtle slowly gathered stones and leaves. Together, they built a peaceful little home filled with joy. But one stormy night, the wind blew strong, and their home fell apart. The bird wept, and the turtle sat quietly in sorrow. The next morning, the bird softly said, "Let's build again, this time even stronger." The turtle smiled, and they began again. With more care, more love, and the promise of a stronger dream.